to Gordon Guitar. We are back with Maria Becerra. We had her before. Just recently, she released a couple of songs, and we'll cover them this time. We have Inspiradora. So it's a common strumming pattern we'll use for this song, which will fit perfectly. And we have 4 chords that goes around and around. So let's start with the chords. No need for any cape on this one. So the first chord will be D minor. That is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Moving up here to A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We're going to C, so you just need to release your ring finger to place it up here. And that gives us third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we end with this bar chord, the G minor. So you place your bar here on the 3rd fret here over all strings, and then the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. All right. So D minor, A minor, C, and G minor. All right. So we need to look at the strumming pattern and grab that D minor. One strumming round will be down, up, clap, down. Okay. That's it. So down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. And so on. So with the chord progression, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 D minors, 2 A minor, 2 C, and 2 G minor, like this. That's it, my friends. It goes like this, round and round till the very end. So that's all for this time. Welcome back. Until next time, play tuned.